How to use the Crimson Heart in Sailor Beats Roblox. So the Crimson Heart comes from the Cursed King, the boss, so fight him to get the Crimson Heart. The Crimson Heart comes from the Cursed King, the boss, so fight him to get the Crimson Heart. Now go to this portal right here, and you're gonna have to go to the Shibuya station. So let's teleport here. Simply climb this building like this. So just climb on top of this building right here. Go to this guy, the Cursed King Trainer, and then simply purchase the Cursed King ability, and that's how you use the Crimson Heart. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.